Good morning, Brian.
Can I get a medium coffee? With some coconut milk. And, let's do a sausage biscuit this morning.
Please scan for BMI index. You cannot have a sausage biscuit.
What? Why?
Because you are fat.
I'm not fat.
According to your government-registered BMI
Well, what
index.
can I have then?
Oatmeal.
Oatmeal?
Yes.
Nobody eats oatmeal.
According to the government, almost 48% of the population eats a delicious breakfast of oatmeal.
Oh, can I have it with some sugar?
No.
Brown sugar?
No.
Can I have stevia in it?
You must eat your oatmeal. You must eat your oatmeal.
Give me the biscuit!
You must eat your oatmeal. 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 You must eat your oatmeal.
It's not bad.
It is not bad. It is good.